What's up, Mavericks? Today we're talking about a tool that's exploded in popularity over the last few years, Figma. Now, if you're not a designer, you might be thinking, why should I even care about Figma? The truth is, Figma isn't just for designers. It's a tool that can help any small business owner communicate ideas visually, collaborate with their team, and save time and money on design work. Whether you're building a website, sketching out an app idea, or just trying to get your branding dialed in, Figma can make the whole process simpler, faster, and much more collaborative. Figma is a cloud-based design and collaboration tool. Think of it as a digital whiteboard, a design studio, and a teamwork hub all rolled into one. You can use it to create website layouts, mobile app mockups, logos, brand assets, social media graphics, business cards, flowcharts, brainstorming boards, and much, much more. It's all browser-based, so you don't need any special equipment or software. You just log in and everything lives in the cloud. Now here's where Figma really shines for small business owners. It helps you turn ideas into visuals without needing to be a designer and without paying for expensive revisions every time you want to tweak something. If you want to sketch out a new website, you can do it in Figma before hiring a developer. If you need a mock-up for an app concept, Figma can get you 90% of the way there. If you want to collaborate with a graphic designer, Figma lets you both work on the same file at the same time in real time. And if you're running ads or creating marketing graphics, you can build templates that your team can reuse over and over again. It's like having a digital workspace where your ideas stop living in your head and start looking real. So let's break down a few features that matter most to small business owners. First up, real-time collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same file at the same time. Then you can create templates for everything: websites, Instagram posts, email campaigns, pitch decks, and more. You can wireframe and prototype, map out user flows, create clickable prototypes, and test ideas before spending money. Branding is made easy by importing your colors, fonts, and logos, then you can reuse them everywhere. And comments and feedback allow your designer and your team to leave notes directly on the design itself. Here are a few practical ways you can use Figma in your business right now. You can design your website layout before talking to developers. You can plan out your customer journey using flowcharts or user flows. Create ad mockups, Instagram posts, and email graphics. Build pitch decks or investor presentations using templates. Share designs with your team or freelancers and gather feedback instantly. And one of the biggest wins is how fast Figma lets you iterate. You don't need design skills. You can just move blocks around, drag elements in, and refine the layout until it looks right to you. Now, we use Canva internally at Merchant Maverick, so I know a lot of small businesses may be wondering what the difference is between Canva and Figma. Based on my experience, Canva is built for creating polished, finished graphics like social media posts, flyers, menus, banners, email headers. It's fast, easy, and perfect for marketing content you need to publish today. Now, Figma, on the other hand, is built for designing systems and planning bigger projects. It's where you map out your entire website layout, sketch and prototype an app idea, build reusable branding elements, create team templates, visualize customer journeys, and collaborate with designers or developers in real time. So think of it like this: Canva is your marketing studio, Figma is your planning and design workshop. If you're creating something that's polished and ready to post, go to Canva. If you're building something from scratch, brainstorming or collaborating, that's where Figma shines. All right, now let's talk about pricing, and I'll try to keep this as simple as possible. The free plan, this is where most small businesses should start. You get plenty of features to design websites, mockups, and graphics, and collaborate with one or two people. The free plan is surprisingly powerful. The professional plan, which is around $12 to $16 per month per editor, gives you unlimited files, advanced collaboration, and team tools. If you're working with a designer, developer, or a marketing team, this is usually the sweet spot for you. And the organization and enterprise plans are more expensive. They have advanced controls and security features, and they're great for big companies, but most small businesses won't outgrow the free or professional plans. You don't need to spend big to get real value from Figma. Here's the bottom line: Figma helps you think visually, collaborate with your team, and bring your ideas to life, even if you're not a designer. If you're planning a website, an app, branding, marketing, graphics, or you just want clearer communication inside your business, Figma is absolutely worth trying. So give it a shot. You'll be surprised how much easier visual planning becomes when everything happens in one place. Click the link in our description to get started. Thanks for watching, Mavericks. Stay creative, stay scrappy, and I'll see you in the next video.